Hey everybody, it's Ben here, and if you haven't seen me lately on YouTube videos or on the forums, it's because I was hit by a truck. I mean that in a very literal way. I was hit by a lumber truck. I was recently doing some work on a Bramo Inertia electric motorcycle. Got it all fixed up and working, tested, safety tested out, everything like that. Just took it right down the street. I don't even remember what happened. I had to have somebody read the accident report to me later. Apparently, I was driving along, perfectly clear day, good driving conditions, everything, and a lumber truck traveling the other direction made a left-hand turn directly in front of me. I've got a fractured wrist. I had a dozen stitches in my jaw, chipped my jaw, cracked a molar, had to have the molar removed. Um, Knee is fractured in 3 places. I'm going to need ACL surgery. Now, this is also kind of a count your blessings sort of a thing because no spine damage, no brain damage, although I'm on pain pills right now. That's why I sound like this. So I am in a hospital bed in my living room, which is why I'm laying here and you see a china cabinet behind me. Here's the wheelchair over here. But it was a count your blessings sort of a thing. No internal injuries, no broken ribs. I do still have to go in through some surgery. This was 2 weeks ago now that this happened, and it's been the most painful 2 weeks of my life. I was wearing a helmet, jacket, gloves, boots. So no matter what kind of sports you're into, skiing, whatever, make sure you wear your proper safety equipment. And of course, when you're driving, watch out for the other guy. Be sober, pay attention, no texting. So anyways, I just wanted to let you know that's why I haven't been on YouTube lately. That's why I haven't been on the forums lately. Hopes and prayers and all that is great. If you want to do a little bit more, a donation through 300mpg.org/donate is appreciated. Insurance and all that stuff never kicks in when you need it to. We still have a mortgage and groceries, and I'm obviously not working, and we don't know for how long. So anything you can do if you've watched my videos, if you like the projects that I've done, chipping in a few bucks would be appreciated. Help me get back on the road, and we can start working on projects together again, and help get me